Hello everyone, welcome to SGM Baking Time. So here is my ready to eat banana cake. Look at this. This banana cake is made of 800 grams of flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 4 pieces of bananas, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients, then separate in a separate bowl you have to mix 4 cups of fresh milk or UHT milk, 1 cup of cooking oil, 4 eggs, 4 pieces of banana. Mix it together, you mash it and you mix it with the use of the mixture, and mix all the ingredients and add raisins to add sweets to the cake, because this is not very sweet. The fruit, the raisins and the banana add sweet to the banana cake. So preheat the oven before you bake this one. Preheat into 15 to 20 minutes, then bake this one into 45 minutes and 170 degrees. So in 45 minutes this will be ready. So before you bake, you have to put all your mixture in here and dissolve 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and put on the top, and put this stick on the center and do it like this so that it will form like this when it is already baked. Okay, so that it will look beautiful. So now we will try to cut this one so that you can see what is inside. So this is already baked in 45 minutes and we will see inside. We will try to see the